with another one. Sounds daft when I say with another one. Right now, this moment in time, I'll just have to lower this, I think, a little bit so that you can actually see it. I'm actually doing is my washing machine. Where have I just gone and put? Basically, the tube to my washing machine in the last house. In the last house and that, the people ended up, unfortunately, it went through the wall in the last house and we had to dig it out, and unfortunately it ended up ripping it apart and that. So I've had to buy a new one. I'm now trying to see if I can get into here. If I can actually get into here with without actually doing anything else. I mean, as in trying to get rid of this. I'm trying to see if I can actually change this. Yeah, phases. Not exactly going to be easy. So yeah, I'm trying to do this myself, which again, like I said, isn't going to be easy. I do not dare undo that there. This is not going to be easy at all. Not one little bit easy. I don't even know if I can even. Yes, there is water in the washing machine. Sounds daft, but I'm trying to do everything I can. All I need to do is change. All I need to do is change that lead from underneath. Right, so that is all I am trying to do. I have a funny feeling that might not even come off after all this, even though I've just undone these. Which I have a funny feeling it might not come off. What was the point in having them two there? Oh, that's a bit daft. After all that, I just worked something out. Right, sounds a bit stupid, but I don't know what them two are for. All I know is that right now right, so basically I've just figured out underneath here Oh, I'm in. I wonder if that's going to fit the same thing.